Why do I feel... Where are you taking me, Cat? Really, where are you taking me? Yell see that again? Why do I hear music? Seriously, why do I hear music? Cause playing, you know me, I like music. Right. Cat? Really, where are you taking me? Just open your eyes in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Logan! Woo! Happy birthday, bro! Happy birthday, sweetie stepbrother! Happy birthday, cuz! Listen to me, cousin. Happy birthday! Woo! Happy birthday, Logan. Oh my dog. Did you guys plan all this? Well, we all pitched in, love. But it was your best friend that planned all of it. It was. Yep, your hot best friend planned it. Oh my dog. Thank you, Cat. You're welcome. Happy birthday. It's amazing that you're 17 now, and we're the same age. Yeah. We're a couple months apart, though. And you're turning 18 in October. That sucks. Yeah. Happy birthday, Logan. Thank you. So much. Dog. Oh, thank you. You're welcome. Well, we got your first birthday surprise. It's right over here. Come on. Alright, buddy. Come on. Sing it. DJ, hit the music off. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Logan. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Make a wish, buddy. This is for you. Holy dog. My favorite latte? Lemon cheesecake? I love this. My dog. And cake? Those are awesome. Make a wish, Logan. Don't really need to wish. It's tradition. Yeah, but I probably got everything I ever wanted. Right here. Aww. Alright. Yay! Woo! This is so awesome. Thank you so much. Anytime, Logan. How about I give you a birthday present? Wow. What's up? Awesome. What'd you get me? You'll see. Just have to open it. Come here. Alright. Right here. Put it in a cough drop box. Yeah, I couldn't find their boxes. It's about the biggest box I saw at the store, so I got what I saw. That's so you. And you're gonna love it. Trust me. Okay, let me open it. If I can open it. Hold on. Oh, got it. Oh my dog! A new skateboard? Cat! How did you know I needed it? Well, you lost it at our friend's house. And since our friend's on vacation, I saw it and I had to get it for you. It cost me all the money that I earned for doing lots of chores, but it was worth it. Just like you are. Just like your friendship is. Aww. God. This is amazing. And it doesn't stop here. DJ, hit me up, please. This is for you, Logan. What are you doing? You'll see. DJ! Boys, lights please. Thank you. DJ, hit me up please. You know the song that I want. Alright. Alright. Let me just find it. Hang on, kid. I'm looking for the song. Thanks, DJ Dracula. Thanks, DJ Drac. Welcome. Good, hang on a second. Okay, looking? You go look. Here we go! Oh, oh. Oh, oh. If I'm the sun, then you're the moon. If you're the words, then I'm the tune, yeah. If you're the heart, then I'm the beat. Somehow together we're complete, yeah. There are times the world is crumbling and the rain is crashing down. But everywhere you are, the sun comes out. Even when you're gone, I feel you close. You'll always be the one I love the most. You're in my heart, on my mind. You are underneath my skin. Not anywhere, anytime that you need anything, count me in. Oh. Count me in, yeah. Oh. I don't need to say a word, no. 'Cause you know when I'm happy, when I'm hurt. It's all the pages in the book. 'Cause you made me feel better with just one look. There are times the world is crumbling and the rain's crashing down. But everywhere you are, the sun comes out. Even when you're gone, I feel you close. You'll always be the one I love the most. You're in my heart, on my mind. You are underneath my skin. Not anywhere, anytime that you need anything. Count me in. Oh. Count me in, yeah. Oh. 'Cause we're two halves of the same new heart that beats around those drums. You're the shadow, always on my side. You're the one that knows me better than I know myself. It's a way for you and here with me tonight. Oh, even when you're gone, I feel you close. You'll always be the one I love the most. I love the most in my heart, on my mind. You are underneath my skin. Not anywhere, anytime, like you need anything. Count me in. Oh. Count me in, yeah. Oh. Count me in. Woo! Woo! Oh my dog cat! Oh, that was amazing. Oh, so sweet. Thank you so much. Well, it was no problem at all. It was no trouble. Well, thank you. Ooh. Megan! That was obviously pretty sweet, darling. That was so sweet. Any time. Megan got a special gift for you. Oh, what is it? Well, tomorrow we're all going on vacation! What, really? Yep, we're going to go visit the beach. We're going to have a lot of fun this weekend. Wait, we go 4th of July weekend. Yep, we're going to have lots of fun. And, at the party, but the pack, I will. Alright then. Well, everyone, thanks for watching, everybody, and please comment down below wishing me a very happy birthday. It feels so awesome to be 17, and Kat, I really can't thank you enough for this. Well, you're right, enough, Haley. Who? Guys, shut up. Happy birthday, bro. Thanks, Gavin. Welcome. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye. Peace out, peeps.